I'm here to give you a Yesoul bike review. This is going to be a non-paid, non-subscribed, true, real review. So that way, if you guys are deciding to buy this type of cycling bike, you get some advice on yes or no.
Okay, so we're going to start here by unboxing the bike. A trick is to cut out the bottom and then just pull the box straight up instead of cutting out the top and then trying to pull everything out. It actually says those instructions in the box, but I've never done that before and it was super easy. So I would definitely recommend that. Lay everything out, get that bike out of the styrofoam. Here are all of the parts that you're going to assemble, so it's not too bad, not too many parts that you need to do. Me getting serious. They say a true test to a relationship is building something together, and I will say this was not the hardest thing that we've done. It took a total of maybe 35 to 45 minutes to get this bike fully assembled. The pedals, the screen, the handlebars, nothing was too complicated. It was pretty straightforward. Here's the bike fully assembled. Let's see how it works.
So, as you can see, I'm nice and sweaty. So it definitely works to give you a workout. As I'm sure plenty of you have seen, you can connect your phone and near it so you can put YouTube, Netflix. The screen itself isn't touch screen, but if you're using your phone, you just put whatever you want on your phone, plug it in, and then this goes on the big screen. I have never ridden a bike with these straps before, so that was definitely something that I wanted to see how it worked, because I've always done like the clip-in and the actual classes. I didn't have any issues with it. I did occasionally like hit the side here and it kind of got me off my course, but it was nothing that was too big of a deal. As you'll see in the clips that I added, if you do go a little, you know, those moments where you get a little bit intense, the bike does shake a little bit, but I wouldn't say anything that got me nervous or worried that I was about to tip over. It was never to that degree. Maybe if you're a more intense rider, that is a very big concern for you. But for me, I'm a beginner. I don't do anything too crazy. I follow just little classes on YouTube. It was really easy to adjust. It was really easy to adjust all of the settings and measurements. I was able to just adjust it to my height. I will say with this knob, you don't want to take it out all the way because it got like off. I just had to fix it. So just lightly loosen this one and then move the seat around. The seat was not uncomfortable. I've been in bikes that have been much more uncomfortable, and those are at like the big places that host classes. This one wasn't bad. It is pretty squishy, so really excited about that. I won't be too sore tomorrow. And yeah, the handles, very comfortable. The resistance, I wasn't too sure how to know where my resistance was at, other than just feeling it with my body. So pros and cons, it's kind of like a connect class. Put it up as much as you feel like your body can handle, turn it down as much as you feel like your body can handle, versus just focusing purely on the numbers. But it does have all the numbers that I'll just have to figure out more what they mean. But yeah, if you're looking into buying a cycling bike, I would recommend this one. It was only $400 compared to the $1,000+ other bikes that are out there. I can't compare it specifically to the Peloton or specifically to another name brand bike, because this is the only one I have ever owned. But for someone who is just going to be working out at home, nothing too serious, I'm not asking my friends to hop on and ride my bike. This is just going to be for me. I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm happy with the price. I'm happy with the performance of the bike. I'm happy with the features. So yeah, if you're just looking for something for your home gym, nothing too serious, I would definitely recommend the bike and say it's a good buy.